CM 365, all about Carnatic music. The Carnatic Kacheri, as we see today, offers a variety fare of items. Earlier, we know that music was performed in courts of kings or in temples, and then it had a different structure. Once the music was organized in cultural organizations and sabhas, it took a proper structure of a different kind. Thanks to Sri Aryakudi Ramanuja Iyengar, who formulated this format, which has been proved to be successful, and today also many musicians are only following that particular format. I would probably compare this format devised by him to a beautiful Kalyana Sapade, where you have a variety fare of items like the payasam, the pachdi, the curry, kote, vade, sambar, rasam, and so on. Similarly, in a Carnatic Kacheri, we see that artist tries to provide a variety fare of items. Variety in terms of first the raga aspect, that is a contrast of ragas. Some Shuddha Madhyama ragas, some Pratimadhya ragas, then the variety of Gandharas coming into different ragas or other notes. So that gives a variation in terms of the ragas. Then he also looks into the Tala aspect, like Adi Tala, Rupaka Tala, Kanda Chapo, Mishra Chapo. These are all try to incorporate different talas. Then different kinds of Kala Pramanas, because if the whole kacheri is going to be in the same tempo, it will definitely sound boring. So they try to adopt different Kala Pramanas or speed in the compositions of variety they try to bring in. The next thing, of course, is the different kinds of composers, because when you bring in more composers, you get a variety of styles in terms of the compositions. Then artists also try to incorporate compositions in different languages. Thus, we see that this is one aspect. The second thing is, of course, how they start off with the Varnam and then probably a Pulyar Kirtane and then some small items and then the sub-main item, then a few more composition, then the main item. Sometimes a Ragam Tanam Pallavi is also included as part of the concert. Then comes the Tukda items where they try to bring in lighter aspects of the compositions like Tirupugal, Tevaram, Tillana, Bhajan, or some light devotional songs. Thus, we see that there is a complete package here where the artist tries to give a variety fare. And of course, there is also a order in presentation, as I said, starting from Varnam. And if he has to sing a Tillana, it's generally towards a fagin. And this also applies to the proportion aspect in the sense that the main item is given the maximum time and space here by the main artist. And then the sub-main item is given lesser time. So there are different proportions. And this proportion is very important because even in a meal, you see, you cannot eat the sweet the way you take the quantity of rice. So there is a proportion in which you eat. Even the earlier Kalyana Sapade was mentioning, each item has got its own proportion in terms of how much they serve you and how much you have to eat. So similarly, the artist also looks at the kacheri in a way such that he devises a proportionate way in which each item has to be given its time. So thus we see that the artist gives such a beautiful format, and that is why the Rasikas are able to enjoy. Of course, also a mention about the Manodharma aspects has to be made, where the artist makes a judicious balance between the Manodharma and the Kalpita aspects, that is the Raga, Alapana, Neraval Swaram, as well as the composition, giving each its due share. Thus, listening to a kacheri with such a variety of items becomes a very, very entertaining as well as educative aspect for every Rasika. CM 365, all about Carnatic music.